Question number 11. If x is not equal to 0 and x plus 1 upon x is 2, x plus 1 upon x is 2, then show that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. This value is same as this value is same as this value. And this is important question. Such type of questions are important. So let us solve them. It is given x plus 1 upon x is 2. It is given 4 marks, 3 to 4 marks. Then to find x square plus 1 upon x square, I will consider x plus 1 upon x whole square. I will consider x plus 1 upon x whole square. Use the formula a plus b whole square. So that is x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x whole square. So that is x plus 1 upon x. This value is given 2. So 2 square is equal to x square plus x's get cancelled 2 plus 1 upon x square. Now 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. So 4 is equal to x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square. Now I will take 2 on this side. 4 minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. 4 minus 2 is 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square is 2. So finally x square plus 1 upon x square, this value is 2. We have found this value. X square plus 1 upon x square, this value is 2. Using x plus 1 upon x is equal to, what is blood or clear? Clear. Yes, yes. Yes, mute the microphone now. No. Now x plus 1 upon x is given 2. To find x square plus 1 upon x square, I will consider x plus 1 upon x whole square and use the formula a plus b whole square. Simplify that. We get x square plus 1 upon x square as 2. Then now we will find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Now we will find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. X cube plus 1 upon, yes. No, this value we have found. Now I will find this value, x cube. So I will consider, no, this is what I have to prove. This is show that. Show that means you have to prove this part. This is not given, you have to prove this. So to prove this part is same as this part is same as this part, I will find value of each part. X square plus 1 upon x square, this value we have found. Now I will find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Then I will find the value of x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Then I will see whether this value is same as this value is same as this value. If all three are having same values, then they are equal. So this part we have to prove. It is not given. Yes. See, this last part is show that only we are given x plus 1 upon x is 2. This is given. This part we have to show that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. So you have to find the value of each part. X square plus 1 upon x square we have found 2. Now similarly I will find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. I will find, so consider, use the formula x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Yes, use the direct formula. What is the direct formula? X plus 1 upon x whole cube, inside bracket plus, so outside it is minus 3 into x plus 1 upon x. This is the direct formula for x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Now we find this value. Now x plus 1 up, yes, this formula I had given, direct formula I had given, x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x plus 1 upon x whole cube Then you have to consider x plus 1 upon x. Yes, wait. X plus 1 upon x whole cube and use the formula of a plus b whole cube. That formula you have to use. So x plus 1 upon x, this value is given 2. This value is given 2. So this is 2 cube minus 3 into x plus 1 upon x is 2. So now x cube plus 1 upon x cube, we'll see. X cube plus 1 upon, where? There. Above, consider. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube is 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Minus 3 into 2 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube, we have found this value which is 2. So 2 part we have found. One is x square plus 1 upon x square, that value is 2. Second is x cube plus 1 upon x cube, that value is 2. Now we want to find x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. For x raised to 4, you have to consider x raised to 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 2 whole square. For x raised to 4, you have to consider square of x square plus 1 upon x square. For x raised to 4, you have to consider, you can write directly, no problem. So x square plus 1 upon x square square, I will use a plus b whole square formula. So that is x square square plus 2 into x square into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square whole square. You can directly use the formula for x raised to 4. Is it clear? So now x square plus 1 upon x square, this value is 2. X square plus 1 upon x square, this value is 2. So this is 2 square is equal to x raised to 2 raised to 2. Power raised to power, you have to multiply the power. So 2 and 2 will get multiplied. X raised to 4 plus 2, x square get cancelled. Plus 1 upon x raised to 2 raised to 2, x raised to 4. Now 2 square is 4. So 4 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. I will take 2 on this side. So 4 minus 2 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. So finally x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4, this value we have found, which is 2. So now we have all the three values. This part is over. Now we have all the three values. X square plus 1 upon x square, which is 2. X cube plus 1 upon x cube is 2. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is 2. Now since all the three are having same value 2, all three are equal. Therefore we write x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4, and all three are equal because all three are having same value 2. So we write is equal to 2. To show that they are equal, I will find each value. And simplify. Yes. One minute. All of you are able to hear me?
Sir, इसका
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, all of you can hear me now? Yes. You can see the board also? Yes, yes. So now, this question number 11, we have found x square plus 1 upon x square. That value was 2. X cube plus 1 upon x cube. That value was 2. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. That value was 2. So all three are having same value 2, and therefore they are equal. Three terms, they are sufficient. It will not come more than this. Yes. Yes. No. It will not come more than this. Now let us solve question number 12. Question number 12. If 2x minus 3y is 10, 2x minus 3y is 10, and xy is 16, and xy is 16, find 2x minus 3y, find 8x cube, find 8x cube minus 27y cube. Wait. Now it is clear? Board is clear? Okay. Okay. Now question number 12, we are given the value of 2x minus 3y and xy is equal to 16. 2x minus 3y is 10, xy is equal to 16. Find the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube. So if you will observe, this 8x cube is nothing but 2x whole cube, and 27y cube is nothing but 3y whole cube. 3y whole cube. So what I will do, I will consider 2x minus 3y whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula we apply. Yes. No. 8x cube is there. 8x cube is nothing but it is cube of 2x. So we are given 2x minus 3y is 10. So I will consider 2x minus 3y whole cube and use the formula a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube. So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. So 3 into 2. No. It is a minus b whole cube. In a minus b whole cube, so 3 into 2x into 3y into bracket 2x minus 3y. You see the formula? Let me write the formula if you want. This formula, a minus b whole cube. Yes, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. This formula I had already given. Yes, a minus b whole cube. Are you getting? Yes. So a minus b whole cube formula we had applied. Now 2x minus 3y, this value is given 10. So we write 10 cube is equal to 2x cube. 2x cube is 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 x cube minus 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27 y cube minus 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 8. How 12? 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18xy into bracket 2x minus 3y. This value is given 10. Simplify. 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 10,000. 8x cube minus 27 y cube minus 18 into xy. xy is given 16. So 18 into 16 into 10. Simplify 1000 is equal to 8x cube. Yes. No. See, 2x minus 3y. This value is given 10. No. 2x minus 3y. This value is given 10. So in place of this, I am writing 10. So that becomes 10 cube. Yes. Now multiply. 18 into 16 into 10. You multiply. 1 8. Yes, let me, what you are telling, different answer. Let me compute. 18 into 16. Then 18 into 16. 16 into 18. 18 into 6 is 108, 10. Then 18, 28. Wait, 288 into 10. 2880. What is this? Is the answer? Just check it. 2880. 18 into 16 into 18. I am writing directly. 18 into 6 is 108, 8. Then 10 is carried. 18 into 1, 18 plus 10, 28. 288 into 10, 2880. So this answer is 2880. 2880. Now I will take this part on the other side. So 1000 plus 2880 is 8x cube minus 27y cube. So this is 3880 is 8x cube minus 27y cube. This is the answer. So the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube is 3880. Yes, this is the answer. Yes, this is the answer. 3880 is the answer of 8x cube. It is asked. Find the value of 8x. Yes. Even time to write, don't worry. Yes. Now 13 will be homework because they are based on the formula. 14th I will do, 15th, 16th. 14th, let me do first 14th, then I will ask 15th similarly. Yes. Write fast. So you have to be thorough with the formula. Writing correct formula is very much important. How much big calculation you will do, but if the formula is incorrect or wrong, there is no meaning of writing the solution with the wrong formula and expecting few marks. No straight marks will be given if the formula in the beginning itself is wrong and you are doing the calculation, lengthy calculation of 1 page, 2 page, that will not give you marks if the formula is wrong in the beginning. So question number 13 will be completely homework. They are based on the formula a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. So question number 14. The sum of two numbers is 9 and the product is, and the product is 20, find the sum of two number is 9. These type of questions are important. Word problems. The sum of two number is 9 and the product means multiplication. So multiplication of both the number is 20. Find sum of the year. Sum means plus. Find sum of the year first. Squares. Second, find sum of the year cubes. Find sum of the year squares and find sum of the year cubes. The sum of two number is 9 and the product is 20. The sum of two number is 9 and the product is 20. So immediately we consider two numbers. Let A and B be two numbers. Let A and B be two numbers. Let A and B be two numbers. Yes, that is what I am telling. No, two numbers are not given. So I can take two number as A and B. Yes, you can take two number as A and B. You can also take two number as X and Y. You have to take the variables X and Y, two variables, different variables for two numbers. So this part is over. Okay. Now let the two numbers be A and B. I have taken A and B, you can take X and Y, no problem. So any two different variable you can use to denote two numbers. So let A and B be two numbers. One number is A, other number is B. Now we read the condition what is given. The sum of two numbers is 9. That means it is given A plus B is equal to 9. It is given. The sum of two number is 9 means A plus B is equal to 9. Second condition, and their product means the multiplication of two number, product means multiplication is 20. That means A into B is given 20. A into B is given 20. So these two conditions are given. That sum of two number is 9 and product of two number is 20. Then it is asked find sum of their square. So what? No, don't consider that 5 and 4. Don't consider that. It is not, see here, it is not asked what are those two numbers. That is not my question. My question is not that which are two numbers. My question is find sum of their cubes. Find sum of their square. Find sum of their square. So square of first number is A square. Square of second number is B square. Now sum of their squares means A square plus B square we have to find first. Sum means plus of their squares. Then second, find sum of their cubes. Cubes of A means A cube, B cube, sum means plus. So we have to find A square plus B square, sum of their squares, and we have to find A cube plus B cube, sum of their cubes. So now let us find A square plus B square. So I will consider A plus B whole square. Yes, use the formula. What is A square plus B square? What is A plus B? Yes, A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula we use. Now A plus B, sum of the number A plus B is given 9. So 9 square is equal to A square plus 2 into AB. AB is product 20 plus B square. 9 square is 81 is equal to A square plus 40 plus B square. So 81 we take yes, we take 40 on this side. 81 minus 40 is A square plus B square. So 41 is equal to a square plus b square. So sum of their square is 41. First answer we have got. Sum of their square is 41. So we write sum of their square is 41. A square plus b square means sum of their squares. So we write sum of their square. Sum of their squares is equal to 41. Sum of their square is equal to 41. Now let us find the second part. Find sum of their cubes, a cube plus b cube. Use the direct formula. A cube plus b cube. Yes, direct formula. No. That you are telling me a plus b whole cube. Yes, and what I have written a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, you can use direct formula. Yes, okay. Okay. Let me do in that way. Okay, let me do in that also. A plus b whole cube. I can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. No problem. You can start with this. Now a plus b is given 9. So 9 cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab is given 20 into a plus b is 9. So 3 into 20 into 9. 3 into 20 into 9. Now 9 cube 81 into 9. 9 into 9 into 9. Yes? 9 into 729. Correct? 7? Yes, 729. No. 729 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 540. 2 in, yes. 3 into 20, 60 into 9, 540. Is it clear? Now 729 minus 540. We take 540 on this side is a cube plus b cube. So 9 minus 0, 9. Then 12 minus 4, 8. Then 6 minus 5, 189 is equal to a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is 189. So sum of their cube is 189. Sum of their answer can be negative, answer can be positive. It does not matter. Yeah. A and B we don't have to find in this. In this we have to find sum of their squares and sum of their cubes. A and B can take different values. A and B can take different values. There will not be only one value. There will be so many different values. But our question is only find sum of their squares and find sum of their cubes. Find sum of their squares and find sum of their cubes. This side, yes, this side is over. Yes. Yes, 15th I am doing. This side is over, left side. This side. Yes. Now let me do 15. 14th and 15th, they are word problem of important problems. So 3 to 4 marks. Word problems you can expect for 4 marks. Now 15, question number 15. Two positive numbers x and y. Now in this we are given two numbers x and y. In question number 14 numbers were not given, so I have considered a and b. But in this question it is already given two positive numbers means x is positive, y is positive, both are positive. Both are positive means both are greater than 0. So x will never be negative, y will never be negative. Both are positive means both are greater than 0. Yes, mute the microphone. Two positive numbers x and y are such that, yes, who is not muting the microphone, who such that x is greater than y. It is given that x and y both are positive and the condition is given that x is greater than y. Out of x and y, x is bigger than y. If the difference of these two numbers, yes, what happened? If the difference, yes, if the difference of these numbers, yes, if the difference of these numbers, yes, mute the microphone, is 5, mute the microphone and their product, mute the microphone, please mute the microphone, is 24. The difference of number is 5. Difference means minus sign. And their product means multiplication of x and y is 24. Find first sum of these numbers. Find sum of these numbers. Find sum of these numbers. Second, difference of their cubes. Difference of their cubes. Difference of their cubes. Yes. Difference of their cubes. Sum of their cubes. Difference of their cubes. Sum of their cubes. Difference of their cubes. Sum of their cubes. Mark this 15 also important. X and y are positive numbers such that x is greater than y. X is bigger than y, it is given. X is bigger than y, it is given. The difference of their number means x minus y. The difference of the number is 5. आवाज नहीं जा रहा बेटा.